Hello friends, in this video we will repair. Here is such a door panel. Then first of all, we need to degrease this place. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Then we wait for a while. Then we need same sort of selectone, grease, or something like liquid rubber. Apply a little to the damaged area. Friends, that's what I did. If you try it, it will turn out better. That's all guys, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.